Hi, Chase. We're in the middle of the woods. Do you like it in the middle of the woods, huh? Do you like the stream noise and the sounds of nature? What do you think of that, Chase, huh? What do you think of all that crazy water, huh? Are you overwhelmed by all the beauty? Let's see how much nature we can give Chase. Right, Chase? What do you think of the rocks and the stream? And the stream that you're looking at down there, huh? It's pretty cool, huh? Oh, you're overwhelmed. Woo! You love it, I think. Let's look at your mouth. Let's see what your mouth is doing. Your mouth feels. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Good boy. Okay. It is now sleeting on us. And are you happy, Chase? Taking it like a real man.